Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn on two-factor authentication for Facebook. To highly protect your Facebook account, you have to enable two-step verification, and here's the steps to do it. And the process will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, we have to install Authenticator app on our phone. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Google Authenticator, and you have to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once it's installed, go back to your Facebook and sign into your Facebook account. Now just tap on your profile photo and tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, and here tap on Account Center, and under Account Settings, tap on Password and Security, and here tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now select your Facebook profile, in which profile you want to turn on two-step verification. And here we can see 3 different methods to enable two-factor authentication. One is using Authentication app, another is using text message, and the last one is using security keys. So the best option to enable two-step verification is using Authenticator app, and we are going to use the first option. So select Authentication app and just tap on Next. And here we can see the instructions for setup. And okay, now in first step, here we can see we have to download Authentication app, and in second step we have to copy this code, and we have to add this code in our Authenticator app. So all you have to do is just tap on Copy Code. Once you successfully copied this code, now go to your Authenticator app and just tap on this plus icon. Tap on Enter a setup key. In this account name box, write Facebook, and in this key box paste the key that you just copied from Facebook, and just tap on Add. Once the key added, here you will find a 6-digit code for Facebook. Okay, I'm going to wait until a new code generates. Okay, now we have to copy this code. So tap and hold this code to copy. Once copied, go back to your Facebook, tap on Next, and in this code box you just paste the code that you just copied from Authenticator app and just tap on Next. And now you have to verify your Facebook account password. So all you have to need, enter here your Facebook account password and tap on Continue, and that's it. Your two-factor authentication will be turned on. Once you successfully turn on your two-step verification, don't remove this code from Authenticator app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.